Ocean pollution. It is one of the main causes to the daily death of animals all across the world. Plastics in the ocean are one of the many types of pollution that can suffocate, entangle, and kill animals.
Plastic in the eyes of the average human is seen as a helpful and useful product, but many people are not aware of the negative impacts plastic has to the environment and ocean life. Humans produce almost 300 million tons of plastic per year, and almost half is single-use. This includes plastics like bottles, six-pack rings, plastic bags, and plasticware. Humans are very dependent on plastic because it is cheap and very versatile and has become part of our disposable lifestyle.
Over 8 million tons of this plastic winds up in the ocean each year, especially in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Plastic has been dumped in our oceans by humans and could take over 400 years to break down.
Over 1 million seabirds are killed by ocean pollution each year. 300,000 dolphins and porpoises die each year as a result of becoming entangled in discarded fishing lines and other items.
Due to this plastic debris, pollution has impacted at least 267 species worldwide, including 86% of all sea turtle species, 44% of all seabird species, and 43% of all marine mammal species.
Researchers began finding fish that are ingesting plastic fragments and debris. Of the 672 fish caught during the voyage, 35% had ingested plastic pieces.
Not only can pollution affect the wildlife, it can have a huge negative impact on the environment as well, from the decay of coral reefs to the large decline in seawater quality.
The release of other chemical nutrients into the ocean's ecosystem leads to reductions in oxygen levels, decay of plant life, and a severe decline in the quality of seawater itself. As a result, all levels of oceanic life, plants, and animals are highly affected.
This does not mean the end of the afflicted species as we know it. The answer is to do your part, to have the courage to stand up and fight for the ocean and its inhabitants. Some solutions are sometimes too big to handle yourself, so there are also ways to help in your community.
Some solutions may involve beach and shoreline cleanups. These cleanups consist of picking up the trash before it has the chance to drift out to the ocean. This stops the plastic and other materials from reaching the ocean and harming marine life.
We also can commit to reducing our use of one-use plastic. Reducing this results in more reusable plastic and less trash from one-use plastic. Think about the reusable bags instead of plastic ones when you go to the grocery store.
Reducing your carbon emissions is another solution. Carbon emissions lead to ocean acidification, which harms marine life. You can reduce your carbon footprint by carpooling, walking, or riding a bike. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
These are just some of the many solutions to aid in the cause. The important part is including yourself in the fight for a fresher, cleaner, safer ocean, not only for ourselves, but for the animals that dwell beneath its surface.